guys, how you doing? Welcome to Mas Chingon. I was so excited to have you guys here. You know, a couple disclaimers before we get started. Yes, we do great work. Yes, we're full of shit. And yes, we're gonna have a good time. Come on, boys. Hey guys, welcome to fucking Mas Chingon. Appreciate you guys coming down. I know it's some of you guys' first time in here. We'll take some time to show you the shop in a little bit, but we're really excited to get to our recent project. Couple ground rules before we get started. Brother, we're not crying over spilled milk, and I hope you understand we're playing for keeps. That means I want everything in your fridge and today's lunch money, brother. Now let's get into the project. We got a 2006 Silverado. It's maroon out of factory. We want to turn it into a fantasy purple for Izzy. Izzy down at Limitless Barbershop. Check them out in Grand Prairie. They're an awesome team. Now we got the 2006 Chevy Silverado that we're gonna switch over to purple. We're super excited. We've had to pull out some dings, pull out some dents, but we take so much pride in our work. It's not enough for us to just bond to it. We gotta pull it out. When it comes to Mas Chingon, guys, you know, rumors might be true, might be a little bit of an asshole, but I promise you, you always win because we have too much pride to let any bullshit go out. Walking around the car, we got a little bit of dings, some chemical burns, things that we gotta work through. You know, we've gone the extra mile to take it apart. We're gonna separate the bag, kind of do it the whole nine. You know, Izzy, I know you're really excited for what you get, but brother, I promise you, you got something in the works for yourself. It doesn't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. Winning's winning. But if I lose, you can have my car. But if I win, I need the cash and the respect. Family, Juana, The Rock. Boy, let's get to work. What the fuck, eh? We ain't racing. What's up, gang? We're back, day 2. Did some body work, did some body filler, got it down to glaze. Next, we're about to put on some primer. This gives us a better identifier as to where our bad spots are at. But after that, we're surely gonna have the purple bro. So come join us, watch the rest of this shit. It's been exciting.
I wanna be down.
What's up, goobers? Got through all the bullshit, thank God. Now we get to my favorite part where we make the bitch wet. Let's go.
I remember when, last past November, when Clown King got pounded in with the Timberland. They left him trembling, he was not remembering. Never tuck your denim in, just a frosted emblem. So we'll debate, wait the fella ate gelatin, or either listening to what his weatherman was telling him. When I could feel it in my melanin, it's compelling us to break them off, no reassembling, no science fiction to no theater near you. Coming soon to fuck with you frequently like how phases of the moon would do. You could gather around like it was an eclipse. Just don't look directly to the bitch, you may be blinded by the scripts. Past the L, the last that tells us an absurd tale. All hail, King Ghidra, the third rail. 700 volts, host rap to a standstill. Fool, ignore the rule, fuck up and get his man killed. 2 bottles of dog got his hands filled. And so goes the days of our lives as the hourglass sand spill. And Bill with passion and a glass of the say.
And the lights went down, hey.
And I knew it was the last day. Wig twisting season, where some could get their wig twisted back within reason. Mostly wispy crimes of treason. And you'll be lucky if there's no squeezing, even this evening. From how it's feeling, grilling, choice of flow is sick. He's the villain with the $1 million voice throw trick. He's like a ventriloquist with his fists in the speaker's back. Couldn't think of no unique track, no sneak attack. It don't really matter how big them is, so much as the nipple. Cause you could have a chick with D triple, except the nipple little. This hot off the griddle, like how he do monkey rhymes. Like monkey in the middle by his damn self. Ain't no average MC ahead of me. Getting cheddar instead of the probably better pedigree. With nicknames, shit games as Rick James. Messy games, side fly such as Jesse James. Glass I figure, ass hawking, ass titty liquor. Last one to walk up in, fast talking city slicker. Got bad cause of the dirty chick with makeup. Bail out quick for the 7:30 wake up. My only backup was an A cup. As far as made to when the leaves turn red and gold till Nimrod Earth Day. All else worthless to say.
And the lights went down, hey.
That's when I knew it was the first day. Wig twisting season, where some could get their wig twisted back within reasoning. Mostly wispy crimes of treason, men. And y'all be lucky if there's no squeezing even this evening. Like a mosquito, the much sweeter, resent the act. I've been bent back since my physical went back, since culture more of my kin. And for them I keep an elbow in this hellhole. Hold your head, use your head and hold, or be dead and cold. In the worstest way, soon as the leaves show red and gold, till round Nimrod release day. And all else, needless to say. Wait a motherfucking minute, true facts presented. The names was probably changed just to protect who ain't in it. The XP was 3/4 tinted, 4/5 was converted. Where his shit was twisted, ask him if he heard it.
And the lights went down, hey.
Wig twisting season, where some could get their wigs twisted back within reasoning. Mostly with the crimes of lying and fronting and cheating. All types of different styles of treason.
What's up, guys? We're back, finished, got it all done. We're tired, delusional, jacked up on Milo's fucking lemonade. Man, anything that could have went wrong on this shit, but we tackled it, bro. Me versus fucking the beast. Izzy, we're coming, baby.
Bitch, I'm dead shots. We told red glocks. We get headshots with these red dots. Bitch, I'm red hot. Yeah, I'm red hot. Flaming hot, I'm red hot. Man, I'm red hot. Flaming hot, I'm red hot. Slack, slack. Yeah, red hot. Yeah. Slack, slack. Yeah, red hot. Slack, slack. Yeah, red hot. Slack, slack. Yeah, red hot. Yeah, we told them blicks, bitch. Chopper got dicks, bitch. Ain't worried about shit, bitch. Power in the back with a stick, bitch. Watch how you move, bitch. Or you can get hit up like Christmas. We don't give a fuck. Ain't carrying trenches. Bitch, why you lie to me? No cap.
Izzy,
You supposed to ride.
we're here, big dog. She's all fine, an absolute bitch. But I think that's what they say anyways. Aren't like the prettiest bitches like first knocked down and shit. But you know, locksmith did. Just took a little word, but it's whatever. Left us stranded on the freeway, but it's whatever. Crazy ass Bondo piled up 3 inches thick, but it's whatever, Izzy. It's whatever, bro. You know what I'm saying? John Wick in this bitch. Pulling up on you right now, though.
Yeah, we got red dots. Yeah, we run from green team, nigga. That'll jump out. And I'm with B-Slime. And just know the slimes I'm with, they gon' ride. And niggas ain't wantin' smoke for real, they gon' hide. And niggas ain't tough guys for real, they disguise. And niggas ain't poppin' guns for real, like my side.
Is it? Yo. Oh, dude. Get my ride. Car turn it up. I see the ass on that head. Good, bro.
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, we're back. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our new page. First video, come on out, don't be shy. Izzy, your truck brother. Well, fuck it, it's done now, bro. It's fucking done now, and I hope you have a good time with it. You know what I'm saying? We got a lot more to come. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We did.